Verifying your bank account on Jitsi is an important step to ensure secure transactions and access to various features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Create a Jitsi account. Visit the Jitsi website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Provide the necessary information, such as your email address and password, to create your profile. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Add your bank account. In the account settings, find the section for adding a bank account. Enter your bank details, including the account number, routing number, and any other required information. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid issues. Step 4. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank details, Jitsi may initiate a verification process. This could involve sending small test deposits to your bank account. Check your bank statement for these deposits and note the amounts. Step 5. Confirm the deposits. Return to your Jitsi account and enter the amounts of the test deposits to confirm your bank account. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation message and your bank account will be linked to your Jitsi account. Completing these steps will ensure that your bank account is verified on Jitsi, allowing you to use its services effectively.